So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bold text on Visme. So once you're into Visme, you first have to add some text to your design. So by doing that, you go to the top left-hand side of your screen to where this T icon is, and then press on text. And by doing that, add some text to your design. So if I wanted to make this bigger, I'm just going to type in the word bold text. I'm now going to make this a little bit larger so that it's easier to see. And once that is done, there you go. So as of right now, this text actually isn't bolded. If you wanted to bold the text or bold some part of the text, whatever it may be, it's pretty straightforward. Double tap on the text right here, go to this top bar that opens up, and not right beside where it says the color of the text, there actually is this B or this bold button. Simply, if you were to press on bold, you now make the text bold. If you were to unpress it, you now make it less bold. So just for comparison's sake, we'll go ahead and bold the word bold. So that's what the bolded text looks like on this font compared to the non-bolded text, but it's a pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can bold text on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.